And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't believe the reason right.
Hello YouTube, it's me again. I've been trying to clean out, I moved the drill press from over here. And on my floor, right here, which you can't see because my stomach's in the way, right here, it looks pretty big, was about a couple feet wide. There was a power hex, Atlas, is that Atlas? Yeah, Atlas power hex, which instead of looking at my chin, I'll turn around and show you. I decided to take my Atlas power hacksaw and take all the shit out from under my bench and basically put it under my welding bench, because this way I can just pull it out when I need it and just shove it back under. I'm going to put a little piece of wood on this side so nothing gets like thrown on the bottom. I might put I can make a little box for it. But that right there, this little gadget right here, is my power hacksaw. I paid $125 for that thing. It even came with this original stand with rollers on it. Like there's this, it's on a big metal like tray. There's two like inserts, I guess, for a handle, and you can roll it around on the floor. And there's a little handle right here, which allows you to lift the front end. And then there's little leveling contraptions right here, which the pads are missing, and I guess you can level it. So it's kind of neat, actually. I ordered a new start blade for it, and the thing works beautiful. I oil it, put up, and chops pretty damn good. Right next to it, here's my shitty ass old, like 10-15 year old Snap-on plasma cutter, which nobody seems to know where the hell to get plasma tips for it. Even Snap-on's like, I don't know who makes it, so oh well. But anyway, I thought I'd just show you where I put my power hacksaw. It shouldn't be that bad for getting welding sparks, because I don't do a lot of welding right here. I usually do it when the door's open over there. So anyway, that's my story and I'm sticking to it.